Paper stocks have been buzzing in trade, and not just today, over the last few days as well, with small cap names such as Satia Industries and Seshasayee Paper also delivering very strong Q2 numbers. Paper stocks include JK Paper. They've also has seen a sharp uptick in trade today. Let's decode what's the buzz in the paper space, and for that, let me bring on board my colleague Sharad Dubey. Sharad?
Demand trends coming in, especially, of course, the reopening of offices coming in and also from schools itself. And this demand is being sustained. Apart from this, price realizations are also very strong for the paper companies, which aided the Q2 numbers which have been announced so far. And this is because of the price hikes which were taken, the realizations went up. Apart from this, of course, there's an impact of the single-use plastic ban. That's why there's a lot of demand coming in for paper as well as the packaging space as well. And lastly, I would like to point out that the raw material prices have actually eased out. They were increasing in the last quarter itself. So that's a very positive news. And if we see the Q2 numbers, as of now, if we take out the mid-cap and the small-cap names of paper stocks, we see on a year-on-year basis, Satia Industries has given 146% revenue growth. Now, we've taken Seshasayee Paper, that both results came over the weekend. That's revenue is also up almost 57%. And last week itself, Century Textiles also came out with its numbers, and the paper division was the best performing segment, rising almost 37% on a year-on-year basis. So very strong Q2 numbers were coming in. But if we see over the last year itself, very, very strong performance has been there. And we have taken the top 4 companies in terms of market cap in the paper industry. And we see JK Paper, Seshasayee Paper going in between 85 to 95%. While stocks such as West Coast Paper, Andhra Paper have also doubled. Now going ahead, what lies for the paper industry? That is something we should be watching out for. And most paper companies which we have spoken to, they have not taken the price hikes going ahead for the next month itself. And apart from this, we'll be having focus on JK Paper and Andhra Paper, who will be declaring the numbers on November 2nd as well. But overall, the demand remains strong, and the packaging segment demand, especially due to e-commerce and as well as demand from rural India, remains very strong. And if we see the Indian paper market consumption, the entire industry, the packaging, carton board and the container segment still holds almost 55% of the overall paper industry. That makes it a very sweet spot for packaging and the paper segment.